Okay.
He's gonna take a while.
It's gonna take a while.
You hear that? America Michael takes a while. Yo, Michael was like turn that toilet up right now. He's still like he's probably getting mad at the toilet.
Wait, can I talk?
Hello,
He's in the toilet now.
Alright. So, Dondre, I have to look this now. I've known you for like 6 years now.
Not a good thing.
oh shit, is this 16?
No, I love you. Even though like you fuck anything you see. No, you're kind of a man whore. And what is that?
You remind him of his cousin.
Is that bad?
Sounded like it. Alright, continue.
High five.
She's hot? Oh, okay, so that's good.
Amanda.
Say he's ugly.
Say something.
You're ugly. You fucking got a big head. Big small.
You look mad demonic.
I don't know.
Dondre's a lovable person. There's nothing bad to say
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can't roast that you're a lovable person. Like, I love you, and I hope our forget it. I'm just saying.
Alright, Amanda.
She doesn't know him.
Oh yeah.
Say whatever you know about me for the last 5 hours.
Alex.
Come on, you know me.
Oh, Abba.
You know how annoying I am in AP.
Is Alex really Dominican?
No, he's African American. He's black.
Really into his Alright, go.
Well, I met Dondre on the 26th bus freshman year, like 3 weeks after school started. And he came up to us and he was like, "Hi, my name is Dondre. Actually, Dondre D. Roberts. Nice to meet you." I'm like,
I wasn't trying to.
and then we had classes together. Shaking my head.
How was I in APUS?
Stop showing off.
Yeah. He was the teacher's pet. Everybody liked him, but then everybody hated him because he's the only one that passed. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
She emailed you.
What?
Internship.
Okay. Next. Richard, don't hide.
Well, I'm confused. I don't know what to do. Talk about how great he is, or like, whatever. Say.
I was either gonna get that or the mic on. I understand. I didn't do another.
Hello, today. What?
The screen is black.
The screen is black.
Yeah, you're corn.
I don't know him. I know him like 2 days.
Alright, back to Mike.
Look how Michael's sitting. Look how Michael's sitting. Look how Michael's sitting.
Here's the one that's on it.
Talk loud.
Yeah, come on.
Watch that tone. Watch it. Take it.
Anyway, Dondre's a weirdo. He's horrible. He's funny, but he's not.
Yeah, you go, girl. Get him.
He has his moments of his own.
That's what she said. Oh, something.
Next. Rashawn.
How you doing?
Your name is Sean. Yeah, you black.
I better wait for you to show though.
Yeah.
By the way, he's black.
Shh, so I can't hear him, guys. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Bye. All right, Jasmine. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
may only know him for an hour or two, but he has a extremely large head.
That's obviously.
Hairline looks kind of crooked.
Oh shit.
He's Michael's friend. I know. She has a lot of stuff.
No, you don't have one.
Did you say nice?
That's okay. She dated you for 2 years. She got nothing to say.
Alright, next.
Vicky! Okay, you gotta talk a little loud.
Okay. Well, I've known about Dondre since 7th grade. Sexually harassed me.
I told you it's not sexual harassment if you like it.
I didn't like it. Chocolate salty balls. I didn't eat it. Salty